Earth restoration fails when treated as a single formula. The planet does not function as one climate. It functions as a network of regions. Each region moves water, heat, and carbon differently. Restoration must follow those flows. In tropical regions, growth is limited by structure, not sunlight. Canopy loss destabilizes rainfall. Bare soil overheats. Carbon cycles collapse rapidly. Here, restoration begins vertically. Trees first, then layers, then soil recovery beneath. In temperate zones, the constraint is seasonality. Carbon moves slowly. Water storage matters more than biomass speed. Here, restoration focuses on ground cover. Perennial roots start crop rotation. Minimal disturbance. In drylands, the problem is not lack of rain. It is lack of retention. Bare soil sheds water instantly. Organic matter acts as a sponge. Grazing timing becomes a tool instead of a threat. Cold regions operate on time delay. Biological activity is compressed into short windows. Mistakes persist for decades. Here, restoration is conservative. Slow point protective. There is no universal species list. No single planting density. No global calendar. What is universal is principle. Keep soil covered. Keep roots alive. Keep disturbance minimal. Let biology compound. Regional playbooks are not optional. They are the difference between regeneration and collapse. Global policy must recognize this. Uniform mandates destroy local intelligence. Restoration succeeds when regions decide methods and share results. Earth heals region by region, not decree by decree.